Like folks telling me, oh, don't talk down on another man. What do you mean don't talk down on another man? Another man literally putting y'all family in jeopardy. If a fucking if a car fall off of his truck and hit your and smash your family car, how would you feel then? You know, how would you feel about that? I could stay at 500 subscribers all day. I don't give a fuck about that. Them 500 subscribers is 500 of the realest niggas on YouTube. All right, man, what's good? What's good? It's your boy Daddy Watts back with another video, man. This one gonna be quick because it's raining out here. I'm finna show y'all what it's like to be out here in the, like it's raining bad. It's really a big storm going on. So I'm about to get out here and I'm about to show y'all what we do as flatbedders, you feel me? So come on, let's go, because I gotta hurry up. All right, let's go. Let's go, y'all. So shit, I gotta build a coil cradle for 45,700 pounds. So we're gonna start off right here. Just because, you know, this is the closest thing type. All right. So we gotta get 2 of these beveled timbers right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen that like that. I'm taking 2 of them. And they heavy, no cap. All right, that's one. And I'm picking up one of these coils, just one. So I'll show y'all what that coil look like too, no cap. All right, boom. Got them up. I need one of these. This is a friction mat, man. Friction mat. See, it ain't too hard. You know, you just gotta be willing to deal with stuff like the adverse weather conditions, you feel me? Like it ain't raining real bad, but it's raining out here, man. When I was on my way up here, it was raining crazy bad, like just crazy. Oh. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, it's not for the weak, I'm gonna tell you that. Flatbedding is not for the weak, man. So, boom, we need one of those. I told y'all get up out of there, man. I'm about to need y'all right now. All right, so I got boom. Now I need my coil racks. All right, I got coil racks this time, y'all. If y'all watched my last video, y'all seen that your boy, he left his coil racks on one of his trailers. All right, come on. I'm trying to hurry up, cause I'm next on the scale. So, all right, 45,000. One coil rack is 8,000. So what 8 times what equals is closest to 45? 8 times 5, 8 times 6 is 48. So I need 6 of them. Oh, I got 4. 5. All right, 6. I got 6 let go. It's time to build this cradle. It's gonna be quick. Center on my trailer. My light right here, so I know center on my trailer. It's right here. Boom. That's center, baby. Oh. All right, shit. Don't get no. Okay, right here, boom. Woo. That shit heavy there. I won't cap about that. Ah, goddamn. All right, and this gonna go in the back. Back to this motherfucker. It's gonna go just like that. But my stupid ass got my coil racks. 2, 3. All right, 3 more. 4, 5, 6. All right, boom. All right. Whew. Here we go, boom. You wanna space these cord right side? As even as possible, man. Ah, shit. Woo, that hurt. Fuck. That's what it's all about, man. That's what it's all about. Working in rain, sleet, or snow, man. Maverick don't care. Maverick don't care, man. This is what you got. This is what we go through. This is what it is in the flatbed division, man. If you're a flatbedder, you know what's up. Let me see. That look pretty good right there. Now I need two core pads. I know I got core pads right here. 1, 2. Shit. Hang your ass out. Alright. Here we go. 2 core pads. Boom. All right, man. There you go. That's my core cradle right there. A guy literally just skipped me in line, man. A guy just skipped me in line. Hold up. I'm finna go see about that. I'm about to go see about him. He just skipped me in line. Feel me? Middle of my trailer. Boom. She ready to go. She ready to go. All right, let's go. Shit. Whew. This is real life out here, man. God damn. Look at this shit, man. All right. We fail, capitalize off pain. How you doing?
Maverick.
Yeah.
00025.
Correct. Yep. Do I need to sign right here?
Yeah, sign in there and then they fill this out.
Okay. This tear weight, that's how much I weigh empty.
Yeah, it should be right here behind you. It's like 29,740.
Yep. So I just put 30. Is that cool?
No, you got to put exact.
Exact.
Yes, sir.
All right. I knew it was close to that.
Because if it's over a certain amount, they won't scale you out.
Okay.
Is that a
Low.
light or a camera or what?
GoPro. Yeah, I do YouTube, so I just
Okay. Put me on YouTube.
I record here and there. All right, cool. All right. Look at that, man. Look at that. You feel me? See, I love this recording certain things and stuff like that. And people be cool too. You know what I'm saying? Like, he a cool guy. You know, that's what I love about the trucking industry. You do meet some jackasses, but you really meet some cool folks out here, you heard me? I love it, man. So I think this guy's in line, so I'm just gonna get behind him, 'cause I don't know if he in line or not, and I can't really. I'm gonna ask him. Hey, you going right here? You in this line? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get behind you. Yes, sir. Oh, my trainer taught me not to drive in puddles, but sometimes you just have to, man. Sometimes you just have to, because you don't know what's under there. There's probably nothing under there. You're gonna go straight to hell. Yeah, about basically everybody upset because I didn't voice my, my opinion, but it ain't even really an opinion. It's really just like a fact. Like, people really out here complaining about the trucking industry. Like, do you not know what you done got yourself into or what? Like, it's real out here, dog. You know what I'm saying? And I can't fault nobody for going to, a trucking company or whatever the case is, and they don't train them properly. I can't fault nobody for nothing like that, yeah. But, man, this being out here is real. You feel me? It is real out here. Like me with this flatbed, I'm just gonna talk about myself. Me having this flatbed on the back of here, bro, I can really mess some stuff up if my loads fall off of here. I'm about to pick up a 45,000 pound car right now, and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. If that thing rolled off of this flatbed, man, it's over with for whoever in the way of that. You feel me? Like it's serious out here. You know what I'm saying? So with me being, I'm very passionate about it. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not finna listen to no motherfuckers on here who, you know, they not even in the industry. And even folks that's in the industry, like folks telling me, oh, don't talk down on another man. What do you mean don't talk down on another man? Another man literally putting y'all family in jeopardy. If a car fall off of his truck and smash your family car, how would you feel then? You know, how would you feel about that? You know what I'm saying? If an intermodal, what you call them things? The intermodal shit, if that shit fall off of somebody's trailer because they didn't lock it, do you know how bad that's gonna be for somebody's family? What, but people's family? Because if that thing fall off, it's gonna sit in the middle of the road, and Lord knows how many people gonna hit that thing. You know what I'm saying? It is real out here. Y'all folks don't take it serious, but me, I take it serious. I know the damage this stuff will cause. I'm picking up 45,000 pounds right now. Like, let's be for real. Let's be for real. I don't care what these folks saying. Like I said, I can stay at 500 subscribers all day. I don't give a fuck about that. Them 500 subscribers is 500 of the realest niggas on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Y'all not finna sit here and just act like, you know, I'm hating or I'm talking down on another man or nothing like that. No, if anything, you should look at that as not inspiration, but like just me helping. Like, I'm really helping. You know what I'm saying? Like, dude, go back to school or, you know, anything like that. Go really learn the ropes of this stuff. Like me, I sat in Maverick for those months and learned what I had to learn and things like that. I'm okay out here. Yeah, I'm new too, but I'm okay out here. You feel me? I ain't out here, you know, fucking everything up. You know what I'm talking about? Go over just a little bit. Cool.